nighttime snowball fights. That is
fun.
So
cool. And the best part about it is, like, we're still getting pictures. Just before we came into the newscast, we were getting pictures in our inbox. It's nice to see all of the variety of pictures that people have.
I know, it's so cool. I love the guy in the video that was wearing a short sleeve shirt over a very thin long sleeve. I don't think anyone was prepared for this, but keep sending these photos in. This is from Dick Taylor. It looks like we weren't walking in snow earlier this morning, unless you were up in Alta Sierra, because they are seeing that snow and they will be open as we head into the weekend. But for us here in Bakersfield, just beautiful clear skies, a nice sunset, and very warm temperatures. And we can thank high pressure for that. That is dominating off the coast, but is actually going to be moving onshore as we head into your weekend. That is going to amplify these temperatures and keep them nice and warm. But we are tracking an offshore flow that is going to be bringing some strong winds, especially through the passes beginning tonight, continuing into the early morning hours on Saturday. Gusts could be anywhere from 25 up to 35 miles per hour. But here in the valley, we are going to be staying nice and calm, that mixed with those clear skies, bringing the chance to see some fog. So there is a dense fog advisory that will be impacting the entire San Joaquin Valley beginning at 2 a.m. and continuing until 10 a.m. Again, these fog chances going to be very similar to what we've been tracking every single day this week. Most of that is going to be up in the northern portion of the county, up near Delano, Shafter, as well as in McFarland. Could be seeing the potential for some patchy fog, a little bit of reduced visibility right around sunrise. That's when we're going to be seeing the most widespread fog. Sunrise tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. So something to look forward to as you are waking up. But the portions of the county that are going to be seeing that, again, northern county up near Delano along Highway 99, and in the rural areas just east of I-5. So air quality is in the moderate range actually right now and is going to be worsening as we head into your Saturday, just a few points away from unhealthy for sensitive groups. So technically still in the moderate range tomorrow, but we've been tracking these hazy conditions throughout the evening, and we're going to be seeing that as we head into your weekend. There's no burning unless with a registered device. So fog chances continue this weekend, but temperatures going to be hovering around 69, potentially reaching 70 degrees Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And we're going to be seeing these above seasonal temperatures through the weekend. Friday is February 1st, and that's when we could be tracking our first chance to see some rain. So the end of January going to be very dry. The Kern River Valley will be up to 68 degrees by Monday. Tehachapi and Fraser Park, again, tracking those breezy conditions on Saturday. Warming up as we head into the weekend. Slight decrease actually early next week. Again, breezy conditions, cloudy skies, but here in the valley we are tracking those fog chances actually as we head into early next week as well.
Goodness. Well, at least it's not rain.
I know, exactly.
Nice temperatures, yeah.
Really not bad.
Nope.
Quite the opposite of snow 20 years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What a time.
Not on this day.
No, what a time. All right.